Monday morning Pilates class. Waking up early for a Pilates class just really sets the tone for the week and puts me in the best mood. We're trying to stay focused and we're trying to stay in routine to get snatched for summer, not just physically, but mentally. I'm trying to stay disciplined with my routines and my healthy habits to just make me feel like the hottest version of myself, because the hottest version of me wakes up early, shows up to her workouts intentionally, not just to like be there, but actually put in the work. She eats intuitively, she eats a balanced diet, she just practices her healthy habits every single day. So that's the energy that we are channeling in this vlog and on this Monday morning. I'm feeling so good, the sun is shining, summer is coming, and so I just want to get right. And the best way to do that is a Monday morning Pilates session. So let's go get some morning movement in.
All purchased items.
This is my little grocery run. Got some sweet potatoes for the week for dinners to go along with like chicken and rice. My favorite creamer of all time, if you know, you know. It's my favorite granola ever. It's so yummy. I put this with my yogurt and some banana in the morning. I really was craving a Southwest salad for lunch, so I'm gonna eat this with some chicken. Caesar salad packs because my boyfriend has been loving Caesar salad. Apples, grapes that we're gonna freeze, and then some broccoli for dinner tonight with some like Korean style chicken and rice. So this is the little haul. But it's already 2 p.m. and I think it's time for another coffee because I have quite a few things on my to-do list today, and I feel like I'm actually getting into a deep focus work sesh. Like I feel like I've been really focused on the tasks at hand, but I'm also craving a second coffee. So I'm gonna make another little afternoon coffee. Also, can we take a moment to realize how long my hair is growing? I feel like I just got it chopped as a bob and now it's hitting my shoulders. What? I miss my like actual bob. I think I'm gonna have to get a haircut soon. gratitude and affirmations in my journal and kind of just made my to-do list for the day. Today's gonna be more of like an admin type of day. Main things that I want to achieve today is one, post all of my clothes that I'm selling on Depop. In my reset with me video, I did a huge closet clean out and I only got around to like taking pictures of half of the clothes because I just got so tired of it. So my goal today is to take pictures of the rest of my clothes and post everything, not some of it, everything. I want it up and like just off my plate. I don't care how long it takes today. I want to finish a vlog to go up this Sunday, and then I want to redo one of my thumbnails because I'm not really vibing with it anymore. And then I want to do 25 outbound emails to brands, and then just some like sprinkle admin stuff like responding to emails. Today is just a very focused admin day just to get things off of my plate so that way I can focus on higher level tasks. But before we do all of that, I'm gonna hop on my weekly content call with my best friend Gabby, where we go over content for the week, goals for the week, and just kind of like looking at analytics and planning around that. Hello. Changing into a little workout set because I decided I'm gonna walk on my little like walking pad treadmill underneath my desk while I do some more computer work. I've been trying to walk on my treadmill like every day while I'm on my computer or if I'm on my phone because I just know that I do not get enough steps throughout the day. I'm at my computer literally for hours and hours on end, and being that I need to post all of my things on Depop, I figured why not get some steps in while I do so. I'm gonna be on my phone posting on Depop for at least an hour. I just have so much clothes that I need to post and just get it off my plates. The walking treadmill has been a game changer. I got it from Amazon last year, I believe. It's so good, especially if you work from home and you don't really get a lot of steps throughout your day. I highly recommend doing so. I even had it when I worked at my 9 to 5 at the accounting firm, so it's really worth it. So yeah, let's get our steps in. Freaking crushed our goal. I can't remember the last time I actually like intentionally wanted to do 10k steps a day, and I need to start doing that more often. I feel like I was really productive too. Like my phone was just in my pocket on D&D, just walking and doing all the work that I've been kind of procrastinating. And I wanted to show you guys what I was working on. I just finished up my creative portfolio, or like kind of like my media kit. And if you're in content creation yourself, you know kind of how crucial it is to market yourself. And so I've just been putting it off for the longest time to update my media kit and to make like an overall portfolio that houses a lot of like work that I did previously to kind of show the brand that I'm pitching that I mean business and that I'm experienced and I'm in this space. So I made it into a little website, and when they open it, they're just gonna see this, and these little icons all directly link to my socials. That way it's just easier for the brand to look me up. And then when you scroll down, we just have like a little about section with all like my followers, subscribers, etc. And this is my rate card. Video rates are such a gray area in this space, so I just really leverage what brands have offered me and kind of what I've accepted over the past year. I like to highlight the bigger brands that I've worked with in the past, and then this is where it gets fun. So I have previous work in the beauty niche, and then I have this one for road. That way they can just play it whenever. There's music attached to it, but I muted it just so that I don't get copyrighted. And then I have one specifically for fashion. This one was for Revolve, Skims, and Princess Polly. Lifestyle, I did my hotel collab, Acne Studios, and then Caesar's Palace, and then some UGC work as well. I love doing UGC work, which means that you don't have to post to your profile. You're just making content solely for the brand, for their use. So this was a fun one that I did with Ulta. I had a contract with them last summer, and it was so fun just making content with a huge brand like this. This was truly a pinch me moment working with Ulta. And then I have my Let's Work Together. I have my phone number, my email, and links to my socials. That's what I was working on. It took quite a long time, but I did use a little template. I highly recommend using Canva. They have so many different templates for creative portfolios, for media kits. So I really recommend using Canva. I've been kind of non-stop working. It's 2:45 right now. I want to take a brief pause to ship out some depop orders. I think I have a total of 5 orders as of right now, but I want to get them out ASAP instead of like waiting until I hit like X amount. And my poly mailers that I ordered from Amazon just came in, so it'd be the perfect time for me to like take a pause from work and just focus on packaging my orders. These are the sizes I got. I feel like I should have gotten bigger ones, but that's all right. This is gas.